This original bathroom from back in the 1970s has had tile and linoleum laid over the tile.
And they had pieced, matched it together. It used to be an old pedestal sink in here, and they put like, it's kind of like a side kitchen cabinet over to the side, and another little kitchen cabinet here. Everything about the bathroom looked a little strange. The tile stuck up really far. Customer didn't want to rip the walls out or anything. It's a rental property. They wanted to get some things, you know, at a decent price, which we couldn't do. Anyway, the vanity, super nice vanity. Love the vanity.
Yeah. The tub was old and beat up. Tile was cracked. It just didn't look
Porcelain was
good.
coming off cast iron. It was rough looking. So anyway, we just done a drop-in kit. It's a Delta kit. We like them. Seems to be a really good kit. Everything in this place had gotten water behind the plaster, onto the plaster, which had rusted the mesh that the plaster was connected to. So we broke all that up. The floor had to be shimmed a little bit. We did have to put some leveler down, and then over here under the sink, it had some odd work done on it, and somebody had put looked like cement. I don't think it was self-leveler, but it was broke all to pieces. It was just a mess. So we had to put some leveler on that because they had pieced together from the tile floor being so high. So we kind of had to repair that.
So we put the self-leveler down, got that nice and sturdy, and put the tub right on top of it. The bottom of the tub is just completely solid.
Put new baseboards down, the new LVP, new shoe mold, kind of done the whole kit and caboodle, except for we did have to do a little bit more than we had planned. In the end, it turned out a little bit better because we went a little bit above and beyond for the customer. So that's okay, no problem. It turned out really, really pretty. I think a lot better than the customer was expecting.